Hello 12th class, this is your chapter 7 idea of algorithmic efficiency, lecture number 6, and here in this class I am discussing the solution of assignment 1. So here the question number 1 is, what is algorithm? That is, algorithm is a procedure to solve any problem step by step. Question number 2, what is computational complexity? So computational complexity that involves a process to be solved, that problem to be solved and the algorithms to solve them. The complexity involves the study of factors to determine how much resource is sufficient for this algorithm to run efficiently. Now next question is, which factors affect an algorithm's performance? So the answer is, performance of an algorithm depends upon internal and the external factor. So internal factors are time and space, and external factors are size of input and speed of computer. Third is quality of the compiler. Question number 4. What are different types of complexities that are considered? So the question 4 answer is, that is space complexity and the time complexity. Space complexity means that is related to the memory. Okay. Now time complexity, it is the number of elementary instructions that this program executes. So this number is computed with respect to the size n of the input data. Okay. So now in your book, the time complexity is, these are the time complexities, and uh, uh, with the in front of the time complexity there is an example. So first one is on o1, that is a constant. So for example, adding to the front of the list, this is the complexity of this o1, that is a constant. Next is big O, log n, so it's log. So finding finding an entry in the sorted array. So this is a log is the complexity, log n is the complexity. Now big On, that is in linear way. So finding an entry in an unsorted array, okay, that is a linear way. Now next is On log n. So this is n log n, sorting an item by divide and conquer, for example your binary search. Okay, so the complexity is big O n log n. Next is O, this is n, this one is n square. Okay, this is on square. So it's quadratic equation, so shortest path between two nodes in a graph. Next is on. Okay, so this is again on cube, this is cubic, so simultaneously this is a linear equation. Next is o n, o 2 raised to power n. So this is exponential term, for example the Tower of Hanoi problem. Okay, this is the answer of question number 4. Now next is question number 5. What do you understand by the big O notation? So what is big O notation? The big O notation is used to depict an algorithm's growth rate. Second is, it is a class of mathematical formula that best describes an algorithm's performance and is discovered by looking inside the algorithm. Third one is, the big O notation is very useful for comparing the performance of two or more algorithms. Okay, question number 6 is, what do you understand by best case, worst case and average case complexity? So the best case is the function which perform the minimum number of steps on input data of an element. Worst case is the function which performs the maximum number of steps on input data of size n, and average case is the function which performs an average number of steps on input data of n elements. Now next is your question number 7. So this is a numerical question. In this, the total size of n is 1000 and the time is this the time is 5n square. So 5 multiplied by 1000 square multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 9. So it will give you the answer 5 millisecond. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 7. I hope these questions are clear to you. So tomorrow I'll take your test. So just read the chapter and ready for the test. So thank you and have a nice